Hey, it's Gabriel. I'm out here with Jack White from Mansfield PD, and we are testing the AEE Mach4. Running some tests out today, flight time and stuff like that. The component that we're testing now is there is a loudspeaker on it. It's made for public safety. Has a regular control that you can talk directly to it. Not any of that stuff where you will record it and then have to send it or anything like that. Let's see if I can get the camera in here on the Mach4. And this first test, what's your altitude, Jack?
119.4.
Okay, 119.4. And how far out are you? About 150 feet?
Yeah, about that.
About 150 feet out and about 120 feet up. So I'm just going to talk directly into the mic, and we're going to see. We're looking for how loud and if the commands or the voice coming out is clear. So I'm just going to do a test audio here. Test, 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 test. Okay, that was really loud and I could hear it very clearly. Hopefully that shows up on the speaker. Okay, let's just start heading away and out.
Go up to 150.
Okay, climbing to 150. Maybe go out to, I don't know if we'll actually be able to keep the drone and the camera here.
500 first.
We might not be able to keep it in focus. Okay, ready? This is 500, and what's your altitude?
164.
Okay, 164 and 500 out. Test, test, test. Test, test. Test, test, test. Testing, testing. Clarity, clarity. Clarity, clarity. Clarity, clarity. Clarity, clarity. It's getting to us almost at the same time. I don't know how well y'all can hear that, but we're able to hear it clear and loud. Go ahead and head out. It almost sounds like an echo at this point. Okay, altitude and distance.
164 and 984.
So this is about 1,000 feet out. And what was the altitude?
165.
165. Okay, here we go again. Test, test, test. Testing, testing. Clarity, clarity. Can you still make that out, Jack?
Yep.
Okay, so can I. So we're 1,000 feet out and 160 up. Let's go out a little bit further. I seriously doubt we can get the drone anymore. It's just we can still see it, but it's out there. I don't know if the camera will catch it. All right, what's your distance?
Right at 1,500 now.
1,500 out, and what's your altitude?
165.
165. Test, test, test. I can still hear it and understand it. Test, test, test. Clarity, clarity. Clarity, clarity. I think we're getting pretty close. Would you think it can probably go further? You think that's probably about it?
It might go further, but I don't know why you want to be any further than that.
Okay. Well, let's just stop there. We'll just say that you can understand it. It's not extremely loud at 1,500 feet out, but we could actually hear it. If just to kind of leave an impression, it sounded something like what you'd expect from a maybe one of those Mavic 2 Enterprise or something like that. Those little speakers, if they were I don't know, 100 feet away or so, or 200 feet away, but you can understand it, and it's not extremely loud. Up close, extremely loud. I would, Jack, would you agree it's comparable to a PA system?
It's probably better than a PA.
Okay, so Jack's saying better than the PA system that's on your typical patrol units. So that gives you an idea. This is, in my opinion, the best sounding loudspeaker that I've heard on any drone by any manufacturer so far, hands down, big or small or anything else. Anyway, hope that helps. Talk to you later.